Good morning everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm vlogging today as you can see. Today is going to be a very exciting day because Kiva, my oldest dog, she's my white Maltese slash Bichon mix. She is going to the groomers today and I'm so excited. It's going to be her first time at the groomers since she was a puppy because she had a really bad experience, and it's probably part my fault because I took her when she was really young. From my understanding, you are meant to take dogs grooming at a younger age so they can get used to it, I guess. She didn't have a good time and they ended up cutting her, on her little armpit, knee pit, if you will. Now they ended up cutting her, so then they called me and they were like, yeah, she had an accident and now we shaved her. So needless to say, she hasn't been back to the groomers in like 2.5 years. But I found a different groomer online and they had very good reviews and they have like nice pictures and stuff. So I did book her an appointment to go over there and I think they're gonna do a good job. Like, I'm really hoping so. I wanna try a puppy cut. They're gonna wash her, they're gonna give her a good clean. I cut her nails at home, but I'm gonna see if they can round them, file them down and round them. That would be amazing. Yeah, I'm just going all out on Kiva today and I'm very excited because she's gonna be so cute afterwards. Can you imagine if they do the puppy cut correctly? It's gonna be so good. Anyways, that was a long beginning to this vlog about my dog going to the groomers. After I take her appointment is at 9:30. It is currently like 8:45-ish. I think I might go to Target really quick. I do have a pickup order that I need to get. So I got a nice blanket. It's like a brown. It's very fall. And I'm all about the fall stuff, but I don't have anything that color in the apartment. I'll just show it to you. I'm gonna go grab it really quick and then I'll show it to you. Here's the blanket that I got from Target. I'm still in the car. I'm fixing to go inside, but as you can see, it's like brown, but it's very nice and it's so soft. So I hope it looks okay. If it doesn't look right, then I'll just take it back. But so here it is, and I'm gonna undo her. The Target lady that brought this out to me freaking got it stuck on her Velcro thing, so part of it's already messed up. So I love that for me. Alright, I just dropped Kiva off at the groomers. I really hope that she has a good time. I feel so bad because her first and only experience at the groomers was really bad. So I really hope that she has a good time. The people there, I feel like they knew what they were doing compared to this other place. The person in there that was taking her, knew what a puppy cut was. And the person before that I told that to, she looked at me like she didn't know what I was talking about. I have a feeling Kiva's gonna look adorable. I did not get a before video, but I did get some before pictures. So I'll put them in right now just so you can see what she looks like before. And then I will show you what she looks like after. I think me and Raph might go get breakfast. I'm not entirely sure, honestly. We may not go get breakfast. We may, because I know I want to get lunch or something today, like sushi or just make something along those lines. And I am making a pasta dish later on today or tomorrow. I haven't really decided, but I know I'm gonna make it at some point. There's this girl, her name is Justine, and she's on TikTok and Instagram, and it's like Justine Snacks or something. And she's really into making it's kind of like experimental food, it's like pasta with ingredients that you normally wouldn't put in pasta and stuff. I'm very excited about it. I'm on the way back home now, and I think me and Raph will go get breakfast or we'll just chill. I'm not sure, but yeah, I will let you know when something else interesting happens. Right. The audio is probably bad because the mic is pointing that way, but we're off to get brunch. We're going to this really cool brunch place. This is a bodysuit from Aritzia, my Victoria Beard jeans, my Tory Burch sneakers, and this cardigan from Abercrombie that I haven't worn in a while. It's still very hot outside, but I wanted to wear it because it's just cute. And I have my new little Jacquemus bag here, and yeah. That's the fit. It's very cute. Also, here is what the little brown blanket looks like. What do we think? Does it look cute? Does it match? I mean, I don't know because I don't have literally anything else except you. that's this color. But you match the blanket. Yeah, everything else is like white and blue, so does it look odd? Does it look weird? I don't know. Tell me what you think. All right, we've made it to the restaurant, and I haven't been here in so long. I think I've only eaten at this restaurant one other time in my life, and it was really good. But I'm very excited. I don't know what I'm gonna get. If I'm gonna get like breakfast food or lunch food, but I will show you whatever, just whenever I get it. Raph, I think he's gonna get like some kind of croissant that has bacon or something in it. I don't know, but I'm very excited. Okay, so I totally forgot to show you the food. I was so hungry, I just started eating, and then I didn't think about it until like we got into Best Buy. So Raph took a picture of his food, and I took a picture of his food, but my food, it was just wings. So it was like chicken wings. They were very good. Probably the best chicken wings I've ever had in my life. So good. Raph loved his too, didn't you? Did you like your food? Yeah, he really liked it. So I'll insert a picture of his food right now. And then now we're in Best Buy. We're taking a look at the games. He wanted to come look at the games, and then Kiva will be down to the groomers here at 1 o'clock. It's currently like 12-ish something. So we're gonna take a look at GameStop and then go pick up Kiva. Like, they haven't called me for any other reason. So I'm hoping that means that like everything went well, you know, because last time when Kiva went to the groomers, they cut her by accident, and they had to call me to tell me to come pick her up like early. So I'm hoping that nothing like that happened, because I didn't get a call. I didn't hear anything. So I'm hoping that means that everything is good. But we're gonna look around Best Buy and just kind of see what we see, and then I will show you Kiva when we pick her up. This is like 3D Pac-Man.
Yeah.
I've never played 3D Pac-Man.
Yeah, I think it is. Oh, you jumped. I didn't know you could do that.
Alright, so that one up there is still pretty scary.
Yuck! Oh, look at your after. Oh my goodness, look at your little ears. Oh, you're so cute. Look at you, baby. Kiva, you look so sweet. I can tell you're tired. You're probably thirsty. We'll have to get you some water when we get home. But look how sweet your little paws. Oh my goodness. And your nails are so short. Oh, this looks so nice. I am so happy. And it was actually really, it wasn't inexpensive, but it wasn't even $100. And they bathed her, they gave her a nice haircut, they cleaned around her butt, they trimmed her, they cut her nails really short, and they also like rounded them, like they filed them down and made them round. They trimmed her legs, like her legs look amazing. I love this place. And not even $100 for like a full-on grooming service. I'm gonna take Winston there, because Raph doesn't want me to take Winston there, do you?
No, I think Winston should be a bull.
Yeah, but I told him, I said they can make him into even more of a ball. Like they can literally cut him to make him into a ball. But he needs to get his nails cut like this. His nails are way too sharp. So anyways, we're on the way home now. We're at a red light, and there's two people in the car next to me that are staring at me and the dog. So we are home now, and I have to say, I'm really impressed with that grooming place. I really like it. And now Winston has an appointment. You do, don't you, baby? I made him an appointment for September the 10th, and Kiva's next appointment is already booked for October. They said about 6 weeks for a dog her size is good, but they said that I do need to do like more regular brushing, which I agree with. I don't do brushing as often as I should. And you want to come up here? Look, come here, baby. Come here. Good boy. I don't do brushing as often as I should just because I forget about it. And the one thing that I love so much is that Kiva's nails are so short. They're so short and they're round. Winston needs that so bad because his nails are still really long. So that's one of the things that I'm most excited about with the grooming. And of course she looks adorable, but I really, really love how short her nails are. So Winston really needs that too. And Raph is afraid that Winston is not going to look like a fox anymore. See, Winston looks kind of like a fox, and he loves that. And I do too, I think it's adorable, but he's afraid that Winston's not going to look like a fox anymore. And I told Raph, I said, okay, well, we'll keep his top of his head, we'll just give it a little trim, but we'll keep his ears like pointy and not rounded or anything. We'll keep them pointy. And then when it comes to the thing that he needs the most is his nails done. He needs his backside trimmed a bit, like his like underneath his tummy and the back of his butt and like his back legs and stuff back there really needs to be shorter. It's very, very long. But yeah, we can keep the top up here more pointed and like fox-like. They said that Kiva did a pretty good job. She didn't like it when they gave her a bath. I have a feeling that Winston is going to thrive. Because whenever I give him a bath here, give him like little haircuts here, he just loves it. He's obsessed with it. He just sits there and he just like looks back at me and he's like, yes. So I think he'll enjoy it. I also want to say that I really like this here. Like I have been like debating on it and just looking at it every so often. Now that we have him and he matches this, I feel like it looks okay. It doesn't look weird. Because like if I'm back here and if I like walk out of the kitchen or something or walk out of the bedroom, it just looks nice. It's kind of separated from the living room. If it was like on the couch, it would look odd, but it's like a separate room, like a separate little area than the living room. So I feel like it kind of fits. I don't know, what can you do? But I kind of like it. Let me know what you think about it. And then Kiva matches all the white in here, and then Winston matches the brown blanket. But yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm either going to eat the leftovers of my jalapeno popper rolls that I got from Papa John's yesterday. I get those once a week, and maybe I should kind of settle down and get them like once every 2 weeks or something, but they're so good. I love them. So I might eat those, but then I also want to make a pasta dish tonight. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know, man. But anyways, I'll let you know when something else interesting happens. But for right now, I'm going to watch some YouTube and maybe upload a shorts. I'm not sure yet. Okay, I'm making my pasta and I've started on the sauce. Ooh. So here's what she looks like right now. I feel like this looks really nice. Guess what the secret ingredient is?
Secret?
Yeah.
Apple?
Peaches.
Peaches, what?
Yeah. And we've got the cherry tomatoes in here, peaches, basil, salt, and the Calabrian chili paste. So it's a little spicy, a little sweet. Yeah. This, I feel like it's gonna be very, very good. This looks great so far. And then I'm cooking it with farfalle because I don't have rigatoni. I think it looks really pretty though. And then it's gonna go in this. Okay, here's where we're at now. I hope the audio is okay because my mic is pointing the other way, but pasta is boiling, almost done, about 3 more minutes. And then the sauce looks like this now. It's definitely becoming a lot more like sauce-like. All the flavors are combining together. Wow. So yeah, now I'm almost done. Once the pasta's done, I will reserve a cup of pasta water here, and then I'm going to put the sauce into my blender. I'm supposed to use an immersion blender, but I don't have one of those, so I reckon a regular blender will work just fine. I might have to do it in 2 separate goes because I don't think all my sauce is gonna fit into this by itself, so maybe I have to do 2 separate goes. But yeah, I'm really excited. I feel like this might be a win. The last pasta recipe I did was kind of a fail, so I hope this one works. Okay, here is the finished pasta. It looks really good. The sauce is it's a bit liquidy, it's a bit wet. I thought that it might be a thicker sauce, but it doesn't really matter. It looks very, very good. So I'm gonna put it on a plate and give it a shot. All right, we're back home. I mean, you know that. I think I did a clip at home last time, but I got an Apple Watch band. Look at this, I got it from Amazon, and it's like a brown leather. It's not real leather, but I never really wear my Apple Watch very much because I don't like the color that I got it in. I got it in this like pink color before, and at the time I was like, oh my god, I love that. But now I'm like, why didn't I get like gold or black or something, you know, just to make it look nicer. But I did hear somewhere that whenever the new iPhones come out this year, they're also bringing out a new Apple Watch, and it's going to be like totally new designed. I don't know if that's true or not. There is a keynote or like a live stream or whatever on the 7th, September 7th, regarding the Apple stuff. So I don't know if that includes just the watch or if that's the phones and everything. If it is, that'd be very cool. We're in bed now. Raph is playing his new game. He got Metroid Dread. It looks really good so far. I haven't played it. But yeah, I think right now I'm just going to chill. I'm not sure if I'm going to vlog anymore tonight. This could be the last clip. I'm not entirely sure. But if it is, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. If it's not, then I'll just continue vlogging.
Good morning. It is now Sunday and I'm still continuing the vlog. I think I'll end the vlog here a little bit later on today. I do need to go to Sephora. Like, I really do need to go to Sephora and do a return. I meant to do it yesterday. I was literally in the place to do the Sephora return and I forgot to go to Sephora. Oh, I want to show you this set that I got from this brand. It's the brand is called Lunya, and I really like their stuff they have. They're like a sleepwear brand. I had it on earlier. I don't know why I didn't show it before I took it off. Maybe I'll show it later on tonight when I put it back on to sleep. Here's what it looks like. It's actually really nice. It's black, and I want to say it's like 100% silk. I don't know, is it silk or, yeah, 100% silk. And they are so freaking comfortable, like so comfortable. But yeah, I wanted to show you that. And then I don't know what else we're really going to be doing just around, like, just in general today. I'm going to try to go to Sephora. Right now, nothing interesting is happening, and I think I might upload a shorts today. That'll be fun. It's been a while since I've uploaded a shorts.
We've come into Target. Please don't mind the way that I look. I didn't put on makeup or anything today. But no, we've come into Target because we had a couple pickup orders, and then I had to come get some new dish soap. I got the Gouda egg and bacon sandwich. That's very good. Ralph got his double smoked something sandwich. I forget what it is. Double smoked bacon cheddar and egg sandwich, yeah. All right, you guys, it's later. I didn't vlog shit today. I do apologize, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. I really hope that you did enjoy this. I washed my hair, as you can see, and yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start editing it as well. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!